how to make sure you have the right business model. In today's session, I'm going to fast track you. This is a beautiful concept. Which business model is the model that you want to choose today? That's what I'm going to be answering in today's session. Hi, my name is Ed JC Smith, founder of the Champion Academy, where we bring out the champion inside of you so you can live life on your terms. 3 videos every single week. Lean down on that, subscribe, smash it. Make sure you hit those notifications so you don't miss an upload. All right, today's session. People always say, what's the best business model? How should I do this? The psychological principle I'm going to give you is the concept around how humans develop, right? Humans develop through this process. Like no one that just woke up as a genius and could automatically tie their shoelaces. Everyone has done what? Has been taught from their fathers, mothers, etc., whatever it is, right? The psychological concept is called modeling. Modeling what works is the quickest and fastest way to do this. Now, let me tell you about the exercise industry. Let me tell you about Shaun T. Have you heard of Shaun T? He created Insanity Workouts. If you haven't, check it out. Very cool. Is it brand new? No. Is it something new to the market? No. Have you ever seen it before? Yes. Is he just modeling what works? Yes. Is he just modeling old school, just work out in your sitting room? Yes. That's been around for freaking years. Aerobics in your room at home. Is that a brand new concept? No. All he did was just remarket it, put some different stuff on the top, and allowed people to attract to this intense workout regime at home, right? Here's what's even greater. He knows that a high percentage of people that do Insanity Workouts will also buy another workout at a later stage. So he created Beachbody, right? It's the same sort of concept, but it's with a different wrapper. People will keep buying the same thing over and over again with a different wrapper on it. Just put a different wrapper to something that's already working. So here's what I want you to say. Go out and find a business model that works. Watch it. Look at your competition. Look at who's doing really well. Rather than a consumer, become an investor. Look at it from a lens. Observe that business. See if it's doing well. And then look at adapting it in a certain way. Now, I'm not here to say do not copy. Copy is taking someone's concept. Like loads of people have come to my live events and copied the name of it, the style of the event, etc. Put your own spin on it. Look at the systems, look at how it's working, and then adapt it slightly. What did Zuckerberg do? Did he create Facebook as a brand new entity? No, he looked at MySpace, all right? And then he built on top of MySpace and made a more competitive business. Uber wasn't the first business to bring the concept of car come to client versus client come to car. They created the concept after Taxi Magic were already rolling with this idea, but Taxi Magic were too slow. All you need to do is find out what business is working right now, and so that you can pick a business, model what works, model what doesn't work, so you know what doesn't work, you know what does work, and there you have a vehicle that's the quickest business model. Online products, information products, low overheads, speaker businesses, property, etc. Model. Every single business will have a specific sort of model, a specific sort of system that works efficiently. Model what works, avoid what doesn't work, and you will rapidly speed up the journey. As always, no matter what happens, never give up on your dreams. Subscribe to the channel, 3 videos every single week. Lean down on that, smash that like button, and let me know how you're getting on. Comment below, and I'll look forward to interacting with you in the comments. I'll see you on the next video.